This review is of Whole Foods Market 365 organic semi-sweet chocolate baking chips, and they are 54% cacao, fair trade certified, USDA organic, thus non-GMO, also parv, so in that respect they're safe for Jews and Muslims. Let's see, what else? They are vegetarian, sodium free, certified organic by QAI, 100% fair trade. Fantastic. And of course, like I said, non-GMO. And they have a recipe here for cherry chocolate chip cookies. Ooh, just like right there. That sounds yummy. And here are the nutrition facts. 70 calories per tablespoon, 5 grams of fat, of which 3 are saturated, no trans fats, cholesterols, or sodium, 9 grams of carbs, of which 1 is dietary fiber, 7 are sugars that are all added, and less than 1 gram of protein. And here are the ingredients. So not too bad. It does use vanilla. As far as the sugar and saturated fats, it's pretty standard. A little bit on the high side maybe for the saturated fats. Pretty standard. Smells nice. They've kept their color pretty well. They're okay, but honestly, I'm a little bit surprised. I had expected more from them than as far as flavor is concerned. And if I compare them with the sugar-free version that are 64% cacao, those are better. But I think most people will enjoy these, especially if you're not into dark chocolate. But for me, it's barely a 7. I'll give it slightly less than a 7. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.